Hello friends, we're going to draw a very nice drawing today. So it's going to be the melting phase. You can see I have already drawn a circular shape here. Now let's draw the part at the bottom which shows the melting points, and you can follow the drawing lines and the instructions as I'm doing right now. Alright, as you know, the liquid points of the melting elements, that's just a free flowing object, so that's why the shape is going to be different in many points. And other than in some places we are going to draw different circles and other stuffs. First we are going to put the uniform color for the whole body inside the circle. Let's put the colors. All right, all right. This is a very bright color, that's why the emoji what we're going to draw is to be looking good. All right, so the color is going to be for the whole body. All right, so the shape we have already drawn. Now let's put the smiley face. That's why we're going to use this marker to draw a single line. Okay, now we're going to draw the eyes. So for the top portion, let's draw here. All right, we can use the pen for the deeper color. All right, the eyeball in the middle, that's going to be the darker of all. Another portion you can see inside. Also you can see another portion inside. Okay, and that part we're going to put little blue shape here. You can see the blue. All right, also putting blue here. So the nice drawing you see here, this is going to look good. All right, so this is the emoji of the melting face. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching. Have a good day.